大家好，我是英英老师。Welcome to Learn Chinese with 英英。This is our fourth lesson of the series Chinese Daily Conversation. In this lesson, you will learn how to say Monday to Sunday in Chinese. Without further ado, let's get started.
What day is it today? In Chinese is 今天星期几？今天星期几？今天 means today. 星期 well, it means kind of like a week. 几 means like what. So what day is it today? Is 今天星期几? And in reply, you can say, for instance, Monday, 星期一. Actually, the way to say Monday to Sunday in Chinese is way much easier than in English. For instance, you just have to use 星期 plus number 1 to 7. Then you got Monday to Sunday. For instance, Monday is 星期一, Tuesday 星期二, Wednesday 星期三, Thursday 星期四, Friday 星期五, Saturday 星期六, Sunday 星期天. So now you know how to say Monday to Sunday in Chinese. Let's learn a little bit variation of it. For instance, what day is it today? It's 今天星期几? And for the one, what day is it tomorrow? Tomorrow means 明天. This question in Chinese is 明天星期几? And for this question, what day is it? The day after tomorrow. And the day after tomorrow is 后天. So this question in Chinese is 后天星期几? Well, let's have a very recap. 今天星期几? 明天星期几? 后天星期几? And in reply, from Monday to Sunday, you just use 星期 plus number 1 to 7, 1到7. How's it going, everyone? Please leave it in the comment below.
Thank you for being here when you can be anywhere in the world. You should really feel proud of yourself for your commitment in learning and growing. The simple fact that you click this video and stick to the end is a true manifest of your growing mindset. I really hope this video was helpful to you. I'd love to know your feedback. Please drop them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. By the way, I'll upload video resources weekly. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。